Good morning, all year camper and hiker here. We're at Lady Bower Reservoir this morning. It's absolutely teeming it down. I've got a week off work and my week's pretty much took up apart from today, so in spite of no matter what weather I were coming out, so yeah. I've started videoing car because it's raining, it's bucketing it down. I've had a bit of a nightmare paying for parking and I ended up having to pay on my card, thinking it was going to be cash. Must be some dodgy pound coins out there. It won't take card machine won't take it, so having to pay on my bloody card, which I didn't want to do. It's raining that heavy. There's absolutely steam teeming off at bonnet of car, but here you go. So I'm probably going to have a walk down to dam and that, and then yeah, decide on, well, do my hike. I planned today on doing 9 edge. I think with weather, that's one factor that I'm not doing it. One, and secondly, when I've looked further into it, you need 2 cars really to do 9 edge. There's no public transport to get back to your starting point where you finish at Robin Hood, getting back up to Lady Bower. So it's a bit of a no-no at the minute until I can get somebody to come with another car with me. So yeah. Don't know what kind of photos I'm going to get with scenery and that, because it's dull as out. So end of the day, we'll just make do with what we do. Just make do with it. Just get on with it and let's rock and roll. Right, see you in a bit, viewers. See you in a bit, folks. Welcome back, viewers. Just started into my walk, which started with a rocky steep elevation for it. Flattened that. Knackered. We're going, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but it's levelled out now, so we can trot on a bit. As you can see, a few sheep in the background. I don't think I'm going to get any spectacular views today, but I'm just glad to be out and about, away from doom and gloom at world. That crap I've just heard about on Wayne. So, yeah. Hopefully I'll be able to stop for a cheeky pint somewhere. Hopefully. Catch you a bit. Welcome back, viewers. We're at the first real leg of that intersection. I should imagine viewers would be gorgeous up here when it's nice. I'll be back up to do one to do the same walk in summer. But yeah. So yeah. Let's crack on. Weather's absolutely terrible, but hey ho. Never mind. I'm absolutely sweating my bag out 'cause it's not cold. Just yeah, weather. Don't help, I'm just getting over a cold now. So right, back to it, viewers. Hopefully there might be something a bit clearer and a bit. Bye. Just following the sign now, back down to Derwent. Well, I'm saying back down to Derwent, but nowhere near there yet, like, but it looks like weather's in for hot day, chaps, guys and girls. But hey ho, don't call me all year round camper and hiker for now. Let's rock and roll, keep going, keep pushing on. It's nice being out. Just my send, bottle of water, a bit of food, waterproofs, my thoughts, and that positive mental attitude all the way through. No doubt I'll look even tighter than I am when we get to end. See you in a bit. Well, folks, looks like running outside at Reservoir now. Lady Bower. I thought woodblocks were dropping down at Woodland, into Woodland. Yeah, it's only got a little bit steep of it, looks on it, so Yeah. I suppose plus side of walking in this weather is I ain't seen nobody. Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Because, well, if what happens, I'm screwed, aren't I? Well, hey ho. It won't. Had a good warm up back in the car. Plenty of stretching. Well, I thought I lost my regular ticket machine, but we got there in the end. So yeah, just dropping down there to reservoir, and we'll probably turn away from it again before we come back to it to finish. So catch you later. We just walked down the other side of that wallway. Just walked down through gates and stumbled across this. Wish I'd have fetched a little gas stove and that now. Maybe I could have just had a quick brew. But hey ho. Nice to be sat in here. Weather's nice. Chilling out. Flowers are blossoming, birds are whistling, butterflies are glittering, cows are graying whilst their calves are feeding, sheep are in pain whilst giving birth, badgers and foxes are out at night trying to climb over the wall. The soil is bubbling up as the moles are burrowing. The barn is revealing its history. The slushy footpath sucks your feet into the mud. The golden hay meadows are gleaming in the distance. Summer has begun. Well, I've come at the wrong time of year for that, haven't I? That's great stuff. Great. Great is that. And I can read. So yeah. Right, let's crack on. Welcome back, folks. Just stop for a minute. The dam at back of me. As you can see, dam. And we'll be looking his way away, up and away from reservoir again. And then we'll do a second half in it on the other side, and then back down to a start point. It just hasn't stopped raining all day. It's teeming. I'm getting a bit pecky, so I'm gonna have some chocolate. And then we'll crack on again. Really enjoying it, really enjoying it. Now reached Derwent Dam, Upper Derwent. What a cod, it's just shite on my face. There we go. Get some photos and pictures on it in a minute. I believe this is it where the film Park Dam Busters and that? Yeah. Get a video on that in a minute. We get to a clearing. Upper Derwent Dam, folks. Derwent Reservoir. On this grey, horrible day. Just a thought on that. Maybe government, instead of shutting leisure pools and swimming pools and shutting stuff like that down, maybe they ought to be learning more kids to swim. Maybe even free swimming lessons rather than it having to be 30, 40, 50 quid a chub. When I were at school, everybody could swim. It was just odd one or two that couldn't, or that couldn't. And now that's the other way around. There's only odd one or two that can swim, and the rest can't. That's not good. And where does next generation Olympic swimmers come from, if not they can swim? Just on a section there about 700 metres, 600, 700, 800 metres. Proper lung busting. Lung bust of that. Walked across like a flat piece of road, and then kind of switched double backed on the stands through a gate and then back onto rugged terrain. There's this rugged terrain with this steep. Jesus. Might need a breather. Even on a day like today, it's still lovely to get out though. It is. Just in proper woodland, proper Sasquatch territory. Hope there's no knocking about over here. I'll catch up with you in a bit, viewers. Hopefully when I've got my breath back. Road kit's back now. We're into the last half-foot walk. Just walked across the top there. I'm glad I set off this morning when I did, because it weren't windy, it was raining. Just walked across the top there. Absolutely blowing a gale. Sorry if wind's bad, but I've just dropped down a little bit and we're on a bit of a descent and it doesn't seem to be half as bad, but that was quite windy. And we're heading back out into Oppen again, so I should imagine I'm going to get blown about a bit, and chances are you're not going to be able to hear hardly anything I say anyway, so catch you in a bit. Positive mental attitude, folks. Coming from a fat lad with a dodgy ticker. Lovely walk down Ladybell Reservoir. Just stumbled across an old disused barn. Just as I was there, though, a bird of prey just bobbing out of that top window and yeah, just flew out and buggered off. Weren't right happy with me showing up, I don't think. I'm probably on patrol for something. I don't know. Was it a barn? Was it somebody's farmhouse at one bit? I'd say probably more just like a barn, but I could move in there. Middle of nowhere, nobody to bug me. I'd be quite happy. Plenty of sheep, so I could have plenty of lamb chops. Don't want to be mistaken for a Welsh boy. Just random, just stuck in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. Good old British farming. Just had to navigate a bit of A57. Weren't very impressed having to walk through it all like that. Just come across this nice little stream and whatnot. Have a quick drink. People walking down the street now, so I'm breath off now, folks. All the other rain seems to have bated off a bit. It's unbelievably mild. It was just Just got a fair way to go yet, like before we get, but just making us way down to Lady Bower Dam now, and cars parked about 2 minutes from there. So yeah, all in all, productive morning. Landscape, and that's lovely, beautiful. Peak District, lovely. This walk round Lady Bower. Our post route I've done anyway. Distance I've covered and all that stuff. Need to get a bit fitter, but more I do, the more the fitter I'll get. I've really enjoyed it, really enjoyed it. Just hope it's like this now, that way down to the dam, and not too much in way hilly. Pretty flat and levelled out. We follow it river, or we follow it side at reservoir, so shouldn't be too hilly. It's been a lovely walk, really enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to a nice coffee and sandwiches before I head back home. So yeah, not quite end it here, but I'll see it again when I'm done and dusted. Well guys, I've finally made it round to Lady Bower Dam. I feel like my hips are going to turn to chalk. But yeah. This side you've got your view of your lake, this, and your Peak District even. A little bit further to go till I get back to the car, so it shouldn't be too long, it says. And I'm going to see if there's anywhere I can get a nice hot coffee. Seeing as I've ate my sandwiches, I might treat myself to something. Anyway, I'll see you when I'm back at my final destination. So viewers, I'm back at car after doing that Lady Bower circular walk. Right, enjoyed it. I'm aching a little bit, but yeah, so I'll end my video here, and I hope them that watch it like it, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Like I say, it's only my second video, so just getting into the swing of things. So thanks again for watching if you watch it. Thank you, bye.